KANJU ya arigitani ya KMPDC NIRUGAMITIE MIHANG'O kwa ihinda thibitari uyu wa Muteithania MWENA wa Kawangware kaunti-ini ya NAIROBI thutha wa guthurima na kuona ndukinyaniirie ikiro iria ciagiriire. Kuringana na KANJU ino, arwaru eri ni makuiriire thibitari-ini uyu ni kwaga kwamukira motungata makinyaniru, gukirikana amwe a aheani a motungata ma urigiti matikoretwo makinyaniirie ikiro cia kuheana motungata.
Mtoto wangu alikuwa na mimba. Mimi ambaye niniambia ni fracture ya tumbo na nataapika. Sasa amekunja hapa na akaanguka na akafa. Hiyo ndio statement yao.
Have arrested 2 officers there. One, we have closed the facility for not complying to standards, not complying to our notice to close. Secondly, for using unqualified staff, and thirdly, for the poor outcomes, for which we are continuing with the investigation.
Muikariri giti KANJU-ini ino David Kariuki oigite ciumia ithatu hituku MIHANG'O thibitari-ini uyu ni arugamitio no urugamiriri wa thibitari uyu ugithie na mbere na MIHANG'O ya urigitani.
They were meant to comply with the recommendations we had given and then call us to go and inspect and allow them to open. So they had not called us back, but we got information using our own means that they have reopened, and that's why we went back today.
Urugamiriri wa thibitari uyu ni weteteire na kuga kwa ihinda ria miaka 30 thibitari uyu ukoretwo ugitwarithia MIHANG'O na njira iria yagiriire, makiuga kurugamio kwa MIHANG'O kumanite na uteti.
Muthoni anatapika mpaka damu. Tukashindwa ni nini? Muthoni kukaka, Muthoni amenyamaza. Haya, Muthoni kunyamaza, tukaanza kumurisa state. Tukamundunga zile shindano za kumwamusha, tukamweka oxygen, tukajaribu kumusaki, ndio tuliona kama alishukiwa na hiyo matapiko. Muthoni ikasindikana na Muthoni akaenda tukiwa na yeye hapo kashoti.
Ona kuri uguo MIHANG'O ya urigiti iguthie na mbere na kurugama nginyagia riria uthuthuria uririkirira. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.